Back to another video.
Hello, I am
Colder.
Or you can just call me Regen.
Oh yeah, why is your name like that?
Oh, it's because I have some friends named. One is named Speed Coil, and the other is named Gravity Coil.
So the new update came out, so everyone's reworked.
Which basically, for some reason, I have the old skins. Because I think the new one is ugly. Like, why did they replace the best guy, near the best guy in the game? To a freaking sheep! Why? Just why? Also, by the way, I'm going to save up for security.
Hey, look, I'm just a little baby cat.
What are you going to be?
Alright, come on, let's go. Alright, we're in the game.
Coca-Cola espuma! Mother.
So, we're gonna be taking in the patients.
And then I'm purposely shooting that.
No, we're not gonna shoot them. Okay, we need the money. So, we're gonna... Don't do that, my guy. Anyways, we'll see you when the first shift is done.
What would happen if we brought in all the patients, including the anomalies, and we gave the anomalies the wrong medicine?
Then the anomalies die. Anyways, first patient done, guys.
Second patient incoming.
First shift done. Now we get into the juicy stuff, right, Ron?
You can stop cutting the footage now.
Why?
We already passed shift 1.
Right.
Hey, this guy came all the way.
The hospital when he has a headache.
Nah, bro.
Status fuck.
I swear I just saw something big and black.
Let me guess, it's Retina.
Yeah. Come on, jump.
I should jump.
Oh. Okay, guys. We will speed up this footage because we don't want to bore you to death. And we're gonna do it until something good happens. 3, 2, 1, speed up.
Just speed up, just speed up.
It's gonna be sketchy.
The click. Do I close it on this guy or is he just? I mean, on this he's good, and on this he's good. Why is he glowing? Why is he glowing?
He's good.
Yeah, but why is he glowing? He's good. Okay, room 2.
Guys, editor, unspeed the footage.
Hello.
This dude really just let an anomaly in.
Dude, he didn't act weird on the cameras. Or. Wait. The click. Brother, your leg saved me.
The flu. Go sit up.
The flu, go to stand up. I got stalkered.
I get the eye drops.
I swear to God.
Guys, shh, don't tell him about this.
Wait, what?
Oh,
would you look at that? That's ritual started.
Hey, Mom.
Did you just drink a coffee?
My name is Enderding. The shop is open. What is it? I have 113. I need this.
Best reject.
I swear, if you...
I think I broke the shutters.
My mom broke that.
Wait, is it gonna...
Oh!
He's banging his head into the... Ow! That's fire.
I'll get in there.
Well, what is he doing? Yo, what is this guy doing? Bomba Cloud! What the hell? Oh, nah. What is, bro? Oh! I gotta talk some sense to this guy. What you doing with that patient, man? Oh my god, look at that leg. Stop that. Oh my god. Green. Yellow. Yellow.
Oh, the glass is already broken.
Green. Green.
The click.
Green. 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 What? What do you mean?
Thanks. I will.
Guys, I don't like this game.
You do like it.
What do you mean?
I'm gonna wait until Barney gets here and then give him my coffee.
Heart scan complete. Guys, I already know what they need by the text. I only see the pictures. Okay.
Okay, medicine, herbs, ointment.
Cool. See, guys, I already know what they need. Another patient down. A few more to go. Oh my god, bro. My leg is insane today. Can you stop breathing so loud?
Honeys.
Oh my god, bro. This guy got this ritual.
Brother, one of them poo.
Cough serum.
Brother, one of them poo.
No, use cough syrup. I hate you.
Roommate. Fall.
I hate my phone. Guys, watch me do this surgery. I'm gonna do it the fastest anyone has seen. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, maybe it's not the fastest. Oh no! Oh my god, you're gonna die. Antibiotics. Whew. 7 seconds left. That's the fastest I've ever done it. The shop is about to open, guys. 3, 2, 1. You. What we got? What we got? Visitor checking fastest. We need this. Yeah. No. 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 No.
No, 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 no. We don't have enough.
Yeah, basically, if I see this guy, I'm just gonna say, "Do you think you belong here?"
Oh!
He pooed.
Oh, hell no, bro. This guy's weird. Did you really? Yo, I need this.
Okay, good on again. Now, what the hell?
You thinking what I'm thinking?
You think what I'm thinking, buddy?
What?
Tase him.
Okay, yeah, I'm tasing.
Hey, so like your appointment kind of got canceled.
Don't talk to your boss like that ever again.
Your appointment got canceled, so bye bye.
Yeah, he caught. Yeah, he.
Look at that freaky tongue.
Hey, yeah.
Yo, I'm kidding.
Yo, why are you going mouth to mouth?
Barney is a dinosaur. I was about to say so.
Barney!
Damn, Barney, I'm taller than you. He looks like a little guy.
No, it's good.
I'm kidding, he's an eye of Ra! Oh, hello, buddy. Hello, buddy.
Hello, little buddy.
Okay, guys, well, I'll be mute.
Oh, there's a visitor, huh? Okay, bro's gonna visit someone in room 1. There's a visitor, Oriana.
Oh my god, it's a visitor? Oh yeah, he's a good visitor. Okay, I'm lagging right now. Okay, let me just stretch. The splits. Oh my god. Stop play. I'm ready. Yo guys, I absolutely just don't know what happened. Bandit, come on. What, 15, 14, 13, 12. Oh, just like that, just like that, just like that. I did it, just like that, I did it. Just before the video continues, I want to say that the rest is going to be sped up. Hey, don't look up. Why? Oh my.
Copy the sequence. Red, pink,
Blue,
red,
green.
red.
Alright guys, speed this up.
Pink, cyan, yellow, yellow. Pink, cyan, yellow, yellow. Yellow! Copy the sequence.
Okay. Wait,
Medkit.
Daniel, we were supposed to do a farm.
Okay, so what?
We were gonna do a farm.
Okay, so what?
We can't do it anymore.
Why?
You're supposed to leave out one remaining patient to check in. Oh my god. Now we're not gonna get extra.
Forget it.
We're gonna get way more money than usual. Please. Oh wait, I have a patient. At the side, stand at the side.
Yeah, go to the side. Go. Okay. That's all. Over there, over there. Oh, yeah, equip your gun. Are you on the can?
Yeah.
What? Huh?
Okay, guys. Here we go. Here we go.
Uh-oh. Someone fainted,
Go. Grab the corpses.
Hurry.
Throw them in the trash can. Hurry. Throw them in the trash can. Hurry. Brother. Extinguish.
Critical patients, go.
Go. Throw them in the trash can.
Go to number,
Okay.
go to number 4.
Okay, I'll do number 4. Go. Catch
Oh god.
Go faster. Go. Herbs. Grab herbs. It's gonna be okay. It'll be okay.
This guy is really saying, it's gonna be okay, buddy. It's gonna be okay.
Hello.
Oh crap.
Here, take the ointment and rest it on your bum.
Oh, I did it. So stressful.
We did.
Maple syrup always. Oh, look at this little guy. You're hungry? Red Monster, you're hungry? For some maple syrup. That's good. Be careful. Some of these might be anomalies. I just said be careful. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at the exciting.
Oh, those room 7?
Number 7 guy was an anomaly. I knew it. I was gonna shoot him. Even if something happened, he would have just fainted and we could have thrown him in the trash.
Yeah, we could have. And also threw one of the guys in the trash. Fans, herbs, therm.
You know, I just realized.
What?
Just go inside of them.
Fans.
And if you see teeth,
Okay, let me
they're
try.
anomaly.
Okay, no teeth.
Banned herb serum.
I got the herb.
I got serum.
Why are we rhyming? I just realized. Okay, now go get out of the room.
Banned herb serum. Banned herb serum. Coffee? Coffee?
Where's coffee?
Get a coffee?
39.
39. 42. Oh my god!
What? Oh, you. Oh no, you don't.
3, 2, 1!
His body.
Get out of my sight.
Shoot him! Shoot him! Shoot him! Oh, why was he running back to 6'8"?
42. No, I need.
Wait, how am I at 41? Oh, wait, no.
You taser them.
I don't care.
Good job.
Hello, Barney!
Barney. Not Barney. Yeah, they still really Harlow Bob. Barney.
Hello, Barn.
I was gonna say Bobby. My bird. Wow, 13 patients treated.
Wait, one of the guns.
There's a gun!
Oh, gun.
And the taser.
Done. Animal.
I'll get this. That was useless.
Well, let me just. Okay. Camera's good.
This purple guy's good.
What about the what about the poop guy?
I think he's good.
Did it flash green?
I don't know, it's on cooldown. Wait, no, I think that's an anomaly.
Him?
No, not him. The other one. Cause look, he's
What do you move?
he's a secret agent, and then in here, it doesn't show that he's a secret agent.
What do you move? What do you
What do you mean?
You're only in front of the guy.
No, I'm over here. I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, they're good. What are you doing?
I'm gonna kill him in 8.
Why?
I don't like the way they look at me. Oh, you don't like how we look at you, Bobby? Oh my god, how could you?
He pooed. Yeah, I'm still gonna kill him. I'm actually gonna kill him.
No, he's not. No.
But why'd he poo? It's Barney! Barney is a dinosaur. Hello, person.
Bro!
What? Is he good?
Oh crap!
What do we do? Scissors! Give him the scissors! What are you doing?
Scissors.
Scissors. Give him.
What the?
What the? Did you,
What just happened?
do you think we broke the game?
What if I give him the wrong treatment? Oh, you could just done that the whole time.
I think the emergency thing's broken.
Bro, the guy just ran away.
And also, I think the emergency thing's broken.
Alright, checking your patience. Run from accounting!
It's wrong.
Run from accounting is my favorite.
Faster computers.
I'm gonna need this. Oh my god, I'm lagging.
Oh, you got the camera. The second camera's broken.
The last Barney was our second time seeing Barney, right?
What?
Oh yeah, it was.
Yo, yeah, we might get a new streak.
We?
Yeah, we.
Oh, well, anyways.
But we're gonna end the video right here.
So, guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. We will still be playing.
Yeah, but I think at some point we might make a part 2.
Maybe. Because, it's already like 31 minutes recording. And, yeah. I'm lagging.
Why are you so slow?
So yeah, that's gonna be it, and also because like we want to play normally, normal. normal. Well, we are kind of. Oh. So thank you guys for watching so much. And I forgot to say, but we're here with my cousin. Say hi. Hi. And bye.
Bye.
So yeah. Bye guys. Thank you. And we'll see you in the next one.